Hey everyone! Today, we're bringing to life one of the most terrifying characters from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. The Doctor, also known as Harley Sawyer. I'm making a plush version of this creepy antagonist, and to make it even cooler, I'll create a diorama with a detailed background and elements inspired by the game. While I work on it, let's dive into the dark history of Harley Sawyer. Once a brilliant scientist and the head of Playtime Co.'s Special Projects Division, Dr. Sawyer played a major role in the company's horrific experiments. He was obsessed with creating living toys, but his ambition led to disaster. After a betrayal, he was transformed into a terrifying digital entity, now controlling the factory's machinery and tormenting his victims using his nightmarish creations. Stay tuned to see how I bring this sinister character to life form. And that's it! Our plush version of the Doctor is complete. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow and brings more awesome content your way. Also, tell me in the comments, which character should I make next?